So iOS 17 is finally out, and by the time you're watching this, it's probably been a week or so, and you've got some time to test the upgrades. There's some many cool upgrades like standby mode, swipe right to reply to iMessages, which is pretty common in WhatsApp and all those stuff. And you also have some cool new Apple Music upgrades. But there's one particular upgrade I really want to talk about, and it's in the audio regime. It's called the adaptive audio in the AirPods Pro Gen 2. So let's talk about it. So before I explain to you what the upgrades are, let me talk about active noise cancellation first. So basically there is an extra microphone in your earbud or headphones that listens to your surroundings, and there's an ANC chipset which will create anti-noise, which will invert the waves and create anti-noise, and hence that anti-noise will feed into your earbud or microphone, giving you a feel of active noise cancellation or a feel of isolation. In physics terms, they call these cancelling of waves interfering destructively. So basically there are three new upgrades: conversation awareness, personalized volume, and adaptive audio. So what is adaptive audio? It is a new listening mode that dynamically blends between transparency and active noise cancellation, which is based on the condition of the users. So basically it listens to your environment and learns on the basis of your environment what sounds to mute and what sounds to enhance. So it does some different interactions of the users. It will learn the different interactions of the users and adapt the audio setting to that particular environment. So now on to personalized volume. So personalized volume will use machine learning to understand the loudness of your surroundings, and if the surroundings are loud, the volume of the media controls will also be increased. So it uses machine learning to understand your environment, and if your environment is loud, it will increase the volume of your music or of your media, and hence that's how personalized volume works. Now we come on to my favorite, which is conversation awareness, and I'll tell you why it's my favorite. When someone speaks in front of you, it will enhance the volume of the person talking to you and will decrease the volume of the media you're doing, of the media you're listening to. It could be a podcast, it could be a music, it could be anything. But it will lower the volume of the media, it will increase the volume of so basically it will lower noise cancellation, it will increase transparency mode so you can hear the person in front of you speaking to you louder. So this is why it's one of my favorite, and when the conversation ends, it will resume the media back to its normal level or back to its higher level which you prefer. So that's it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.